I want AI to do my laundry and dishes so that I can do art and writing, not for AI to do my art and writing so that I can do laundry and dishes. This is the quote that you've probably seen making the rounds around the internet, and I see it a lot being used in kind of anti-AI circles. So the reason this isn't happening quite yet is because robotics is behind AI. To be fair, we do already have machines that do laundry and dishes. They are called a washing machine and dishwasher. What we don't have is a general purpose robot that can manipulate items and put them inside the washing machine and the laundry. There are a few companies, including Tesla, who are working on general purpose robots right now. Most of them are a humanoid that will be able to walk around your house, picking things up, doing things for you. Here's the thing though, when these general purpose robots are good enough and cheap enough, then we're going to see AI really take a lot of jobs. Right now, the jobs that threat from AI are actually the white collar jobs. We're talking like office, admin, legal, accountants, basically professional services as a whole, anything that can be done at a computer in an office. Much further down the scale are things like personal care. So that's things like nursing, looking after the elderly, and haircuts, as well as construction and transportation. As soon as we have general purpose robots, these more blue collar jobs are going to fall. And these kind of jobs make up a big part of our economies. So I utterly get the sentiment here. This is an artist who is saying, I'd like AI to stay out of art and focus on the physical. I don't want it to be writing for me. I don't want it to be creating images. I want it to do my dishes. But we have to remember that as soon as it can do our dishes and laundry at home, it can build that home. And this is where we're going to see big job losses.